Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you something different, a simple way to learn English fast, not from boring books, not from long grammar rules, from real conversations, from real life. And here is the question: what if just 7 days could change the way you speak? Stay with me, because the answer may surprise you. Before we start, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment "I'm ready" so you don't miss the next lessons. And watch until the end. The last chapter may be the turning point for your English journey. Chapter 1. The first conversation. Imagine you are in a small cafe. You order tea. Your voice shakes. You feel nervous. But here's the strange part. The person understands you. They smile, they answer, and suddenly something happens in your mind. You think, maybe I can do this. This is where learning really begins, not in fear, in simple daily moments. Most people never notice this. They wait for perfect English. They wait for the right time. But the right time does not come. Let me show you what changed everything for many students. They started shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a native speaker, then you repeat the same words. You copy the sound, you copy the rhythm, you copy the feeling. It is like singing along to a song, but you are singing English. At first, it feels strange. Your mouth feels slow. You make mistakes. But here's the exciting part. After only 3 days, your brain starts to move faster. You begin to predict the next word. You start speaking without thinking too much. And on the 7th day, something surprising happens. You answer more quickly. You feel lighter. You feel brave. This first conversation is your small win, and small wins build big confidence. Now, let's move to the next chapter, because the story is just starting and your voice is about to grow stronger. Chapter 2. Walking through the market. You are walking through a busy market. People talk, prices change, sounds everywhere. You hear English, you hear short sentences. How much? I want this. Can I try? And suddenly, your brain wakes up. Real life is the best classroom. But here's the secret. You don't need to travel. You can practice this at home. Most people never notice this. They think practice means sitting with a book. But let me show you something different. Take short market conversations online. Play them, pause them, shadow them. Say every word like a real customer. Then say them again. Your mouth learns. Your brain connects. It feels real. But here's the strange part. When the situation feels real, your learning becomes faster. You remember more. You speak with more emotion. And emotion makes language strong. After 7 days of doing this, students tell me something funny. They start thinking in English when they buy something. Little thoughts, simple words, but very powerful. In the market story, you learn one important skill: asking and answering quickly. No long grammar, no stress, just reaction. And this reaction becomes automatic when you shadow real-life conversations. Now the journey moves forward, because what happens when you talk to a friend, not just a seller? That is the next chapter. Chapter 3. A simple friendly talk. You meet a friend, you sit on a bench, you talk about the day. It feels calm, but inside, you still feel shy. What if you say something wrong? What if they don't understand? But here's the surprising part. Friends don't care about perfect English. They care about connection. Shadowing helps here more than anywhere else. Listen to short, friendly dialogues. How are you? I had a busy day. Let me tell you something funny. Repeat them. Copy the tone. Copy the smile and the voice. This is important. Most people never notice this. Tone matters more than grammar. Let me show you what changed my students. They shadowed emotions: happy voice, sad voice, curious voice. After 1 week, they sounded more natural, not robotic, not afraid, natural. And when you sound natural, people want to talk to you more. That builds more practice. And more practice means faster progress. But here's the strange part. When you stop worrying about mistakes, you actually make fewer mistakes. Your brain relaxes. Words flow, sentences connect. This is the power of shadowing real conversations. You don't just learn words, you learn confidence. Now, we move to a new place, the workplace, because speaking at work feels different and more challenging. Chapter 4: Speaking at Work. You are at work. Your boss asks a question. Your heart beats fast. You want to answer, but your English feels slow. This moment scares many people. But here's the truth: it can become your biggest learning moment. Most people never notice this. Work English is just simple English with purpose. You shadow work conversations, short, clear phrases. I will send it now. Please check this. Let's fix it. Repeat them every day. Imagine yourself at work while shadowing. See the people, hear the sound. Your brain believes it is real. And here's the strange part: the next time it happens, you respond faster. You have heard the same sentence before. You have said it before. Shadowing trained your mouth and mind. After 7 days, small work conversations feel less scary. You start saying, I can do this. Let me show you what changed everything for one learner. She practiced 10 minutes daily, only shadowing, no long study. After 1 week, her boss said, Your English sounds better. That sentence changed her life. Motivation exploded, and motivation keeps you moving forward. Now we move to something deeper: not work, not shopping, something personal, telling your own story. Chapter 5: Telling Your Story. You sit with someone. They ask, Where are you from? Suddenly, English becomes emotional. It becomes your life. Many learners freeze here. But here's the beautiful part: your story is your strongest tool. When you shadow real life stories, you learn how to talk about yourself. Simple lines. I grew up here. My family is big. I had a dream. Repeat. Feel the words. See the pictures in your mind. This connection is powerful. Most people never notice how storytelling changes their English. But here's the strange part. When you practice telling small parts of your story, you start to own the language. It does not feel borrowed anymore. It feels like yours. After 7 days of shadowing personal stories, something shifts. You speak with more heart. People listen more closely. Let me show you what changed many students. They combined shadowing with recording. They listened to themselves. At first, they hated it, but then they heard progress, and progress creates hope. Hope keeps you going. Now, we move to the final chapter, the moment when everything connects. Chapter 6: The New You After 7 days, 7 days pass. You look back, you spoke at the cafe, you walked in the market. You talked with a friend, you answered at work, you shared your story. Each shadowed conversation built a new layer inside you. Small steps, big change. Here's the surprising part: you did not memorize long grammar rules. You lived the language. And when language becomes part of life, speaking becomes natural. Most people never notice how fast this happens. But let me show you the real magic. Shadowing trains your ears first, then your mouth, then your confidence. That order is powerful. After a week, your brain recognizes patterns. You reply faster, you smile more, and you start to believe, yes, I can speak English. The journey is not finished, it is just opening. Imagine 30 days, imagine 6 months. Every real life conversation makes you stronger, and every small effort builds a bigger voice. Now, I want you to take action. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. I'm starting my 7-day shadowing challenge. Let's grow together. Your English story is only beginning.